What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. All right, it's New Money Maker Mondays. I got a new app for y'all. It's called Panel App. Very easy to use. Link will be in the description to sign up. Like I said, it's easy to use, and I'm gonna show you how you can do that right now. I'm gonna click on it. First, I'm gonna show you like the home page. I was just on it like a few seconds ago, so I'm gonna show you the home page. Let me see. This is what it looks like. As soon as you open the app, you see the points. I have 7,723 points. Basically, you get points just for driving around, walking around. Just have this app on your phone and have your location on. That way, that's how you get your points. Basically, it'll ask you, little things. It'll just give you points basically for going places. So you won't even recognize it. You won't even notice it. It's like every day you open up the app, you'll recognize you're getting points. You see, I do have the option to redeem, but I'm gonna show you here begin survey. Now, this is they do offer you surveys, but they're not like actual surveys at the point where you disqualify for them. Like every survey they give you qualify for it, and all it's gonna ask you is like, what place were you at around this time? All right, so I'm gonna show you how you do that. Remember, I have 7,723. I click on begin survey, and ask me where was I Sunday at 3:30. I believe. Where was I Sunday at 3:30? I think I was, because it'll show you places that you were at, but if you weren't at any of these places, basically you'll just choose other residents, or you're driving or walking, you were home, things like that. Honestly, I'm not sure. And then it'll kind of show you with that, red area that where you were. But I believe I was at Walmart, but it's not showing me that. So I'm gonna click other residents, go to next. Other place we had Monday around 12. I think I was, where was I? I was at this restaurant here. We were at Monday around 12:30. I think I was leaving. I was at other residents. I'm not really sure. Like, if you're not sure, I mean, there's no right or wrong answer to this stuff. It'll just show you places that you at. Where you at around 12:45. I was here. Because Monday I was doing a lot of driving. I was doing a lot of moving around. Because it was related to my job. But Monday at 1:15, where was I? I think I was at Cabo Grill. Monday, 9 o'clock. Where was I? Not really sure where I was. So I'm gonna go down here, other residents, click next. How many times did you visit the Nissan dealership? I did not visit. Click on that. Go to next. Submit my answer. Just following TV providers have you losing the past 3 days? I have Xfinity, not Sprint. Next. And doing all of these is getting me points. Very simple to use. Like I said, every survey that they have, you're going to qualify for. You just answer the simple questions. Like I said, there's no right or wrong answer, to any of this. You just got to, answer them, complete it all. And then when you're done with the survey, it'll show you the points that you get. I don't plan to visit them. No. Which one are you aware of? I'm pretty much aware of all of these. Just because of my wife. I don't know, just answering. Go to next. I'm not gonna buy any of this stuff. Very unlikely. Did you visit Walmart? I did. I've heard of those two. I don't. And then again, like when you do these surveys, all of them are not long like this. Some of them are like 3 or 4 questions. But again, it doesn't matter, what survey, how many questions on it, you're going to qualify for. You just answer the questions, no right or wrong answer. And, you just get your points at the end of the survey. But you see, I'm just going here doing it live, just showing you how easy it is to do this. That's the family chat of cruise that I'm in. Let me get that out the way. Did you visit Shell? I did. Man, a lot of questions. You know what I'm saying? When I do this video, it's giving me a lot of questions. Usually it's not that many, but the more questions, the more points. So I'm not really tripping on it. Sorry for the camera shake. I'm trying to do 2 things at once. Hold the camera and use my phone. Next. I was not shopping for chips. And you see there all my points accumulating. You know what I'm saying? So if I go back, I go to done, it'll show you my points accumulating again. And now I'm going to show you how you can redeem your points. I go to redeem now. Like I said, you'll get points every day for doing this. It'll show you sweepstakes that they have that you can do. Like you can enter the sweepstakes if you want to do this. But for me personally, I mean, it's not a bad idea. You know, you just basically give, 30 points and you enter the sweepstakes at 10,000. So that's something you're interested in. You know, just kind of look at the sweepstakes they offer. But if you want a guaranteed reward, you just click on guarantee right here, and it'll show you the things you can get. I can get an Amazon gift card. It used to be when I first started using this app, it would be like 5,000 points for $5. But like this app has gotten more popular just because you accumulate points every day just by going places. You know what I'm saying? So basically, you have to have 10,000 points to get $5. But it's not difficult when you do like a survey and you just click on your leave your location on. You're going to get points just for going places. All right. So again, you just look at the price. They have Amazon, they have Walmart gift cards, Visa gift cards. Just kind of take your pick of what you want. They got $1 minimum cash out you can do for 2,000 points. But let me show you that I'm getting points actually every day. How do I go to that activity right here? And you see I got 205 points in the week, and it's only Wednesday. And so I'll just show you my recent activity, what I'm doing. All of these things here, I'm getting points every day. You know what I'm saying? Today is Wednesday. I got 66 points. So I haven't even left my house yet because it's still early in the morning. You see it's 6:42. But you see every day on there, I'm getting points. Every day. And a lot of these, when you see 33, that's basically just for going places. It didn't really ask me any questions or anything like that. I don't think I did the surveys that day just because, I'd be so busy sometimes I forget about it. But, just all you got to do is have your location on, go different places. You accumulate points every single day. You don't have to do anything with the app. The only thing you do have to do with the app is take a survey. And that's not something that you have to do. That's just helping you accumulate more points. But you're basically guaranteed a minimum of 33 points a day. You know what I'm saying? If you just have it on your phone, installed on your app, and just, let it run in the background. Like I said, there's nothing you have to do with it. The survey just offer you more points, but you just go in places. Just live your life. Take the app, your phone with you. Obviously, it'll be installed on your phone, and you can accumulate points. It's one of those things where it's easy money, and you're not really doing anything. People always look for ways to make money doing nothing, and there aren't many out there, but this is one of them. You know what I'm saying? Just going places, accumulating points. It doesn't matter where you go. You don't have to go to a restaurant, a gas station, anything like that. Just drive around, walk around. You don't have to do anything special. Just do what you do on your regular day, regular routine. You accumulate points just like that. All right. So, like I said, the link is in the description. Sign up today, and just make easy money doing nothing. You know what I'm saying? Do a survey here and there just to make more points if you want to, but you don't have to. And it's all about just adding all of these ways to make money that I'm giving you, so that way you're able to make lots of money online completely free. All right. So if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe. I'm always showing you guys how to make money online completely free. Subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me, and get this free money with me, y'all. All right. So it's New Money Maker Mondays. This is the Panel app. The link will be in the description. Click on it, install it on your phone today, and start making free money. All right. And always remember, every penny counts.